Okay, so I'm guiding you. Please wait. How to share your screen? I will guiding you. On the bottom right corner, you have button of present
Present.
now. Present now. Yeah,
Yes.
same thing. When you click on that button, you got the entire window. I mean, entire screen option.
Yes, yes. A
And
window, a tab, and your entire screen.
entire screen. Select entire screen.
Yeah. Share.
It's loading.
Share. It is not taking share.
Actually, it is not loading right now. Try one more time. Try one more time.
Yes, yes. That share is not activating itself actually. Uh,
No, do one thing. Your entire screen is not doing anything. Your entire screen is not doing anything.
no, no, sir, nothing.
You are
Yeah, I'm doing. I'm lots of windows open right now, like IBM Institute site, and then
so
uh,
actually do close everything. Just share only screen. Alright. Do close
okay,
everything.
okay, okay. No, sir, still it is not taking.
Now click on the present now and select your entire screen.
Yeah, I'm doing that particular thing, but it is not taking.
Not taking. So one thing. I am giving you Zoom meeting ID. Okay. Join with them. Okay.
Okay.
You have Zoom setup. You have
Uh,
Zoom.
no, no, right now I don't have.
You don't have Zoom.
No,
Okay.
no.
So how you do this thing?
Um,
Okay. Meanwhile, I am taking the query of other person. You install please Zoom,
yes, yes, yes,
and I
yes.
am sharing you the thing with you, and I just giving you the Zoom ID. Please wait. I'm putting in chat box.
Yes.
Okay. Meeting ID, password, and the link. Okay. Then you can join with me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You will click
Okay.
on this link, given link, so it will automatically download the Zoom software. You put the
Yes,
meeting
sir.
ID
Yes.
and password. Yeah. Next question,
Yes.
please. Anyone more have a question? Can ask me. Meanwhile, Shweta just preparing for the Zoom because she's not able to handle the Google Meet. Sudhanshu, any question? Before any question?
Yes, sir, before this side.
Yes,
Sir,
Before.
I have one question in function question like function solutions में कुछ दिक्कत है सर. सर आप एक बार पीडीएफ खोल सकते हैं क्या वो सॉल्यूशन वाला फंक्शन का?
मैं खोल रहा हूँ एक मिनट.
एक
बुकमार्क. put wait. फंक्शन कौन सा है बेटा?
और फंक्शन का सेकंड क्वेश्चन सर सॉरी.
फंक्शन
लाइन
पार्ट टू, फंक्शन पार्ट टू, फंक्शन पार्ट वन, विच वन?
सर क्वेरी क्वेश्चन हाँ सॉल्यूशन टू फंक्शन
प्रोग्राम है
क्वेश्चन.
ना. चलो. ओके.
सर सेकंड क्वेश्चन टाइम.
हम्म, अच्छा ये वाला. हाँ बताओ इसमें क्या हुआ.
हाँ सर ये एक बार लॉजिक समझा दीजिए ना सर कैसे हो रहा है ये.
आप लोग ना गूगल पे सर्च नहीं करते हो, कोई चीज़ क्वेरी आती है आपको? थोड़ा
सर
हाथ पैर मारना सीखो गूगल पे, है ना. क्योंकि अल्टीमेटली गूगल ही आपके साथ रहेगा.
हाँ वो तो है
आ,
सर लेकिन
मैंने कई लोगों को ऑब्जर्व किया, कोई चीज़ नहीं आती तो एफर्ट एफर्ट नहीं करते बस.
सर कुछ समझ में नहीं आया सर गूगल.
आपकी क्वालिफिकेशन क्या है?
सर मेरी बीटेक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन.
कंप्लीट हो गया आपका फोर्थ ईयर?
सर कंप्लीट हो गया, ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट हो गया।
तो आपसे तो एक्सपेक्ट है कि आप एटलीस्ट इस चीज़ समझ सकते हो। तो मैं समझाता हूँ, तो कैसे समझते कैसे, कोई चीज़ आपको समझ में नहीं आ रही है ना, मैंने एक फाइल ले ली, ध्यान से देखिए, है ना, कोई प्रॉब्लम समझ में नहीं आ रही, तो पहली चीज़ आप ये करो, स्टेप बाय स्टेप करना सीखो, प्रोग्राम को एक बार रन मत कराओ। आप लोग क्या करते हो, अगर 10 लाइनें 10 को एक बार रन करा दोगे, यही देखोगे दिक्कत कहाँ आ रही है। इम्पोर्ट टाइम, ओके, स्टार्ट टाइम, देखना पड़ेगा मैंने कमेंट कहाँ से लगाया है, प्लीज वेट, टाइम आई थिंक ये दूसरा कॉपी हो गया है। हाँ, तो ये पूछ रहा है इसका ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है, प्लीज पुट योर हेडसेट, objective write a program to print the time taken execute a python program, okay, so two things are possible, हमें ये पता करना है कि इसमें kindly put your headset, I mean someone, ओके, सो हो क्या रहा है कि मैं कोई भी कैलकुलेशन करूंगा तो उसमें उसका टाइम कितना लग रहा है, तो स्टेटमेंट मेरा क्या है, x इक्वल टू 5 + 10, इसमें कितना टाइम लग रहा है, ओके, तो मैंने क्या किया, टाइम इंपोर्ट किया है, पाइथन का टाइम पैकेज होता है, उसमें से स्टार्ट टाइम मैंने कर लिया, ठीक है ना। अब तुम ये देखोगे स्टार्ट टाइम का होता क्या है, चेक करो, पहले एक चीज चेक करो, चीजों को स्प्लिट करके सीखो। अब इसमें स्टार्ट टाइम दिया, अब स्टार्ट टाइम को एएससी में करने से क्या कन्वर्ट होता है, क्या प्रॉब्लम होती है, अब मैंने सिंपल प्रिंट करा रहा हूँ, ठीक है ना, प्रिंट स्टार्ट, प्रिंट स्टार्ट, ये फिगर दे दी इसने स्टार्ट टाइम में, लेकिन अगर मुझे इस फॉर्मेट को पर्टिकुलर डेट टाइम फॉर्मेट में बदलना है, व्हाट इज एएससी टाइम, व्हाट इज एएससी टाइम, पुट ओवर हियर एंड पाइथन, इसे सर्च करो, एएससी टाइम है क्या, इसे पढ़ो, एएससी टाइम क्या है, क्या फॉर्मेट होता है एएससी टाइम का, एएससी टाइम का ये फॉर्मेट होता है, इसको बोलते हैं स्टक टाइम, ओके, इसमें जीएम टाइम होता है, लोकल टाइम होता है, और इस फॉर्मेट में आती है चीजें। अब चला के देखो एसी टाइमिंग हुआ क्या,
ओके सर, मैं ट्राई
नहीं
करूंगा।
नहीं, अब रुको रुको, अब मैं बता रहा हूँ, तुम सुन लो, फिर कल अगली बार बोलोगे कि हाँ सर नहीं हुआ, हैंग हो गया सिस्टम, ठीक है ना। तो अब मैंने ये करा, अब मैंने इसको कमेंट कर दिया, इसको कमेंट कर दिया एंड इसको अनकमेंट किया,
ओके
इसको अनकमेंट किया, अब देखो चला के देखो, संडे January 7 11:09:08 ओके, तो एसी टाइमिंग ने उस जो नंबर की फॉर्मेटिंग थी ना वो उसको स्प्लिट कर दी, ठीक है। नाउ अब मैंने अपनी एक इक्वेशन रख दी, इक्वेशन कुछ टाइम लेगी नहीं लेगी, तो इक्वेशन कुछ टाइम लेगी, 1 सेकंड 2 सेकंड, फिर उसका फिनिश टाइम होगा, जब इक्वेशन टाइम ले चुकी तो उसका फिनिश टाइम होगा, क्या फिनिश
यस
टाइम होगा, 2-3 सेकंड बाद फिनिश टाइम होगा, फिर मैंने फिनिश टाइम प्रिंट करा दिया इसका, फिर मुझे डिफरेंस निकालना है, क्योंकि मुझे ये देखना है टाइम कितना लगी, टाइम मीन्स क्या होता है, फिनिश टाइम माइनस स्टार्ट टाइम, ओके, मैं दोनों को सेव कर लिया, इतने इतने सेकंड उसने टाइम लिया, सिंपल सा था। तो आप ना क्या करो, सबसे बड़ा तरीका, आपको ये समझ में नहीं आए तोड़ कर सीखो से, इसमें ये क्या चीज़ है, गूगल पर पेस्ट कर दो, गूगल बताएगा ये क्या चीज़ है, फिर इसको अलग अलग प्रिंट करा के देखो, तो आपका लॉजिक क्लियर हो जाएगा।
ओके सर, अभी
और
अभी
बच्चों में टेंडेंसी क्या होती है, अगर 10 लाइन को बोले 10 लाइन को एक साथ रन करा देंगे, बीच में एरर आ गई तो बच्चे हाथ पैर फूल जाते हैं, क्या दिक्कत हो गई, अरे एक एक लाइन टाइप करो, देखो दिक्कत कहाँ आ रही है, कॉपी पे नोट करो, अगर तुम्हें सीखना है तो ये तरीका है सीखने का,
यस यस
एक साथ रन कराओगे तो और जुपाइटर में इसीलिए जुपाइटर फेमस है, क्योंकि आप एक एक रन करा के अलग अलग आउटपुट देख सकते हो,
ओके सर,
ठीक है ना।
ओके
So, आप सारी अपने अप्रोच यही रखो, ठीक है ना? ओके, थैंक यू डियर। एनी मोर पार्टिसिपेंट? मल्लिकार्जुन, एनी क्वेरी?
No,
मल्लिकार्जुन,
sir.
ओके थैंक यू। प्रवीण शुक्ला, एनी क्वेरी?
Yes, sir.
यस प्लीज।
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm getting error when I using URL in Pandas, sir.
शेयर योर स्क्रीन प्लीज।
Yes, sir. One second.
आई एम जस्ट पुटिंग माई स्क्रीन।
Okay, sir. Can you see my screen, sir?
I can see your screen. Okay, so what it says, check the error. URL cannot contain the control character
Yes, sir.
like this. आपने क्या दिक्कत की है? आरिस के बाद डॉट डेटा ही लगाया, अभी लग रहा है। देखो,
Iris, sir.
आरिस
Iris
के
dash
बाद
Iris data.
डॉट डेटा है, डॉट डेटा, डेटा नहीं है। आरिस डॉट डेटा फाइल का नाम है, डॉट डेटा। रन कराओ लाइन को। अगर आपने कल ये मेरी लाइन सही से देखी होती ना, तो आपको दिक्कत नहीं आती।
Yes, sir.
आपने सही से देखा ही नहीं कि उसमें आरिस डॉट डेटा है। आप पीडीएफ होकर देखिएगा, उसमें आरिस डॉट डेटा रिकॉर्डिंग चेक कीजिए, ठीक है ना?
Okay, sir.
थैंक यू सो मच।
Yes, sir. Thank you.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन प्लीज। Sabyasachi, any question? Sabyasachi, any question from your side? Okay, Sweta, what update you have? Shweta, you joined? Yeah, you joined. Shweta, you joined with me on Zoom?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I
Okay,
can see the same screen.
okay. Now, actually, please share your screen. You can share your screen.
Okay, okay, okay.
There is option. I'm just
Share screen, right?
yeah, share screen. See what it's any error message or it's a, give
Yes,
you.
yes. Right now, some errors come. You cannot start screen while the other participant is sharing.
Okay, so I have to wait. Okay, please wait. I'm just looking. Shit, I don't know. Actually, I thought I disabled this Zoom to participant sharing. Okay, I remember. I remember. So do one thing.
Then you can make her host. She will be able to participate.
Make her. Acha, yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. Chat box. Not chat box in participant list. Make a host. Yes. Yes, Shweta. Now try.
Yes, sir. I'm
Yeah,
sharing now.
I got it. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So first of all, write Conda env list. Conda CONDA env
On
list.
the
Env
ENV
list.
list.
Yeah. Press enter. You have only one environment, that is base. Yeah, you have to create first. मैंने बताया था
So
कि
that
आपको
is the procedure I have followed already, like
now
creating IIBM environment and
okay,
other
okay,
things also.
do with me type the first command conda create double slash name. I mean check the list as it is what I give you the commands. Check this one
Yeah,
and type that
yeah,
one.
yeah. Yeah, first command was conda create name IIBM Python.
Name double slash, there is a double dash also. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
name IBM the environment name. All right, then Python What Python? Double equal to I think 3.5.5.
Yeah. 5 point.
It's a double equal to or single equal to.
Single equal to
Take
only.
now press enter.
I will have to create.
It says the directory exists. You change the part. Conda C user admin Conda no.
So should
Mm,
I press yes or no?
please wait. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Why? Yes. Why? Perfect. Perfect. Now type the up arrow. Now type the up arrow. Conda env. On up arrow the previous command is there. The up arrow.
Uh,
Up and down
up,
two arrows there. Up and down. Press the up
up
arrow.
and
One more time. Up. Yeah. Press enter. So all previous command comes on the up arrow. Alright.
okay, okay.
Now you can see the IBM is there.
IBM is there. Yes.
Now you the command is given before you just 3-4 line ago. Conda activate IBM. Type same command.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now press enter. Perfect. Now you are inside the see. Instead of base, you have the IBM. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Now you can proceed accordingly what you want.
Okay.
You want to install
So
Jupyter notebook?
other commands like TensorFlow, Keras, still
No,
I have.
no, 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 no can TensorFlow right now. First
Then
you
Numpy, Pandas, and
yeah. First of
32.
all, Jupyter. Note down it somewhere. Jupyter py32. Somewhere note down or copy.
Okay. Okay.
Later on you can install. Okay.
Yeah.
First of all Jupyter, then py32, then NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Scikit-learn.
So could you please tell me again? First one is Jupyter,
Jupyter, then py32,
PY32,
then NumPy,
NumPy,
Pandas,
Pandas,
Matplotlib,
Matplotlib.
Seaborn,
Which one, sir?
Seaborn,
Sorry,
Seaborn, Seaborn,
Seaborn.
yeah,
Yeah.
and Scikit-learn, sklearn. There is there.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, do accordingly, and any problem you face, then you can contact me on email. All right.
Yes.
Okay, you
Yes.
can quit the screen.
Yes, sir. Sir, and one more thing I wanted to ask.
Yes.
When we want to check Python version,
Mhm.
so it is coming as 0.22.0.
Now it's 3.5 when you enter this environment because we are specific on 3.5.5. When you open the Jupyter, write the import sys. When you install Jupyter inside IBM, open that Jupyter because your environment creator Python 3.5.5.
So
So
can I show it to you right
sure,
now?
sure, 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 sure. Your screen is lapse. Please share the
Yeah,
screen.
sir. Yeah, yeah. 1 second.
You are from which city?
I'm from Akola,
In which state?
Maharashtra.
Okay, okay, okay.
Actually, I have done civil engineering earlier, but I want to come in IT now.
All right, that's a good course for you.
So that's why I'm facing problems regarding the setup thing only.
Mm-hmm.
I don't have knowledge regarding this.
No, now you are learning or not? What is your
Yeah,
status?
yes, sir. Yes, I'm
That's
trying
good.
a lot.
That's good. That's good for me. I mean, even students are learning. That's a good thing for me. A teacher again more blessing if students are learning.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you to you. Uh, so can you see my screen now?
Not yet.
Yeah, I'm sharing. Yeah, right
No,
now.
it's loading. Yes, 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 yes.
So it is coming as 1.1.3.
That is a Python, not Python. This is Pandas version.
Okay.
This is Pandas. That is a course because you are independent from Python 3.5. So that's why it's a 1 point something. When you dependent on the Python 3.5, so Pandas version go to lower. That is a 0.22 like that. Okay,
Okay.
because in Python, what happened? Each library have the synchronization with different library specific version.
Okay.
Okay, that's why when you install the pandas in that particular IIBM environment, so now that time its version is 0.22.
Okay. So can I check now then Python version or
not
what should I
not
do?
because you have to completely installation, then you have to launch the Jupyter notebook from that environment, then you can see.
Okay, okay. So I'll
Okay.
have to follow earlier procedures,
Yeah,
installation of Jupyter, NumPy, Pandas,
yeah, yeah.
Py32,
And
and
then
then after
when you launch the Jupyter from command prompt, so you have to write simple Jupyter notebook, simple. It will execute
okay,
and load the Jupyter in your browser. All right.
okay, okay,
Thank
okay.
you, dear. Thank you so much.
And then so that command will also run like deep learning, Fonda activate deep learning.
Deep L is not your environment. Deep L is my environment. Okay,
Okay,
because my environment, I make my environment is super way so that all library, in fact, NLP, etc., etc., all things are installed here. As my
so I
syllabus,
don't have to follow the same command, right?
no, no, no. Just what I tell you, then thing. As we grown up, we tell you how to install the particular library in that. Otherwise, your system become very heavy. Okay, so
Okay.
unnecessary we don't make our system heavy.
So even if I'm working on earlier versions and not like 0.2, 2.0, my other things will work, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Okay.
And so one more question. Right now we are practicing on Jupyter
Hmm.
and Anaconda, वगैरह.
Hmm.
But the real Python software will be different or like means what?
See, many Python software. I am telling you five software: PyCharm, Spider, Jupyter, Idle. So it's up to you what you want to learn. Jupyter is number one because it
Okay.
give you the cell by cell output.
Yes.
The same way, why Google Colab copy the Jupyter? Tell me. Because the popularity of Jupyter easy. Anyone can migrate from Jupyter notebook to Google Colab. See,
Okay.
Google and Python are independent thing. And beside this, Google Colab copying the Jupyter notebook layout. Why? Because the Jupyter notebook can migrate person to Google Colab easily. Okay. If you
Okay.
work on a Spider or PyCharm, so you feel difficulty on Google Colab. But here you can't feel difficulty to handle the Google Colab.
Okay. So after means in working with another company or like that, we'll have to work with different platform where
See, Python will be same. Run command will
okay.
be same. So don't worry
Yeah,
about it.
all the
And
commands and all the things will be same, but
yeah,
the uh,
and one more thing, any company when hire the software training, they provided training first of all.
okay,
So I don't think so. Running any software you need more time, hardly 1 or 2 hours. But to learning a coding, that is a different task. This is time long task. You need two,
okay.
3, 5 months. So that time you are investing with us.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, sir, yes.
Okay. So focus on the model building, logic creation. Software are easy things. Saving the file and just done the button. Okay.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, dear. Any more question?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Please click share, quit your screen. Yes, I am coming on. Yes, please. Any more question, dear? Sudhanshu Chaturvedi, any question?
No, sir.
Okay, so thank you so much, dear. We are finishing the session.
Sir, Advocacy side.
Yeah.
I
Yes.
just want to ask you, sir, you told us about one book about Python. Sir, can you remember the name?
Mm,
Put it in the chat box.
repeat this. Your sound is echoing. Repeat
Okay,
the question.
you told us about one book about Python, sir, the very first days.
Tarima Thareja, Python beginner.
Sir, can you put it in the chat box? Then I can.
Yeah, yeah. See the students. Students are very intelligent. Thereja. Thereja. Yeah. Its name is something different. I just show you them. I'm go to Amazon. Problem
Sir, I
solve.
this book, sir, I can find this book online, sir.
Yeah.
In short,
Yeah. Only on online of Python. Of Python. Okay. So it's a problem solving approach. This is user interface. Okay. So I don't think any I mean bookstore keeper put this thing because it's just due to many people goes to PDF file. That's why it is not solding out. But I recommend it. At least you have a Python book.
okay, sir. Thank you.
Later I will give you the machine learning book with the PDF file. That is very costly, but even that makes your life rock. All right.
You will share the link, sir, to download that PDF file, machine learning one.
Not I will when we start the session, then I will give you. When the thing
Okay,
is going on, then I will provide the same thing. All right.
okay. Sabyasachi, I have one link actually. So that link has the books of like SQL and Python also. I'll share you that link by tomorrow when class will go on, and
Okay, thank you.
it's around 900 pages actually. You can take a print out of it.
Yes, Sachi, you have to take the 900 pages print out.
No, thank you, Sudhanshu. Thank you for that.
Okay.
Kind of. You just send me that link.
Yeah,
Yeah,
send me the.
actually, we are not getting it now. I'll share you tomorrow.
Instead of printing, you just try to soft copy because print is very costly. 5 rupees, 2 rupees, 3 rupees. So better you take buy if you want to print. Better you buy the hard copy. Okay.
Actually, sir, I use Genlib. There I can, that Genlib site.
All
There
right.
I can, yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. Here. So have a nice day, all of you. Enjoy your Sunday with your family. Thank you, dear. Thank you so much.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye.